I'll open up my picture and it loads up. Down here, I'll select impression. Then I'll start searching for any suitable filter that I would like to work with. So let me see. You can choose any one depending on what you like. So I think this one is perfect. I'll just save it and move on to the next application, which is Facetune 2. I go to Facetune 2 and I select the picture. I go straight to the paint option first of all. And yeah, so if you click on the paint brush, it has its own colors, but I'm going to click back on the skin brush and scroll all the way down. Select this particular color here just to highlight under her eye, her forehead and her chin, all those areas that that needs to be highlighted. So I'm just going to keep tapping. I am not swiping. I'll keep tapping all around under her eye to bring back the highlight that has been lost due to the lighting setup and the camera I used. So I'll just tap on that there, zoom back to be sure of what I have done, go back and tap around the other eye area, go over the forehead, go over the chin, and every area that you just want to apply the highlight. You keep tapping, tap. Don't swipe it through so it's not going to look very harsh. Just tap gently till you are satisfied with the image. I'll do the same for the chin. Before, after. I think it's making sense right now. So I'm going to select the paint brush down there and I'll click a red color and I'll tap on her cheek. I'm just tapping to apply that blush there. I already applied blush, but it's not really that visible, so I want it to really stand out. And I'll touch this adjustment layer right here. I'll take it to the left and back to the right to keep it somewhere I am okay with. So the next thing I'll do is that I'll click on that rainbow option there and I'll choose a black shade. I'll drag down to black. Then what I'm going to do right now is I'll select the liner tool. I mistakenly did something there. I'll erase it. So with this liner option, I'm going to bring back that vibrance and sharpness with her lower lashes. I'll just create some strokes under her eye so that her lower lashes will stand out. Yes, like I said, while taking the pictures, the whole lighting washed out a lot of things. So that's why I edit my pictures to bring those things back. And I don't do too much. I just enhance it there. So I'm just going to apply that there. And once you zoom back, you will not really, it's not going to look weird. You can just reduce it or increase it and see which one works best for you. We'll keep it somewhere around 62. Next thing I'll do, I'll select the tone brush and I want to just stroke through her eyelashes. I'll just create some light strokes to darken her eyelashes to make it stand out. Yes. I'll do the same for the other lash. Then I'm going to also tone down her hair. I'll just swipe through her hair to make it a bit darker. Before, after. You can see how it looks. I'll select the rainbow option again and I'll choose a white shade all the way to white. I want the cheek highlighter to pop even more. So I'll just tap on the cheek, gently tap on the areas where I had highlighted to make the highlights stand out even more. Yeah, let me use the paintbrush instead. I'll just tap. I really want that highlight on her cheek and the point of her nose to stand out as well. I'll go ahead and click OK since I'm done. Then I'll move on to the retouch brush. So that's before and after. I'll scroll all the way and choose retouch. Then it's time to smoothen what I have done under her eye. Click on smooth, zoom in and just smoothen under the eye. But I'm going to avoid smoothing the highlighter on her cheek or the blush or contour area. I'll just smoothen only under the eyes under her nose to hide that sweat there, and any other areas that I really want to work on. Then I'll select the sharpen. I'm going to scroll to the right and select sharpen, just to sharpen the eyebrow a bit. I'll just tap gently, nothing much. Then if I'm okay with that, I'll click OK. Before and after, before and after. So this is how the image now looks. Please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.